In the previous video, I showcased the progress I made with this green stalk vertical planter. I successfully completed planting the first 4 tiers. Now in the follow-up video, I finish the 5th tier and fill it with vibrant Dianthus flowers. Stay tuned!
Shelley here with Harvesting Heritage. I am back to finish the 5th tier of the green stalk vertical planter. I did put a white vinca in the top already. This white one isn't the pure white vinca. It has the little pink dot in the center of it. And so since it had pink, I found Coronet Strawberry Dianthus. They love full sun. And they have the dark pink around the center, and then as they get older, they die out to the white. I thought they were more peachy when I brought them home, but the longer I've had them, the more pink they're turning. And then along with that, I thought the tricolor sage would be pretty because at the tips of the sage leaves, there's pink. I thought that'd be really pretty up here too. So let's just get planting. The first thing we do is build up the top tier with potting soil. And this is a packet of 6. So I think that I will space them out. Oh my, look at that root system. That's Emily, my baby kitten, if you can hear her watching me from inside the house. I can't put anything in the center because that's where the final watering pan goes. I think I'll tease these roots up a little bit. They're pretty bound. You know what? I think I like symmetry as much as my daughter Channing does. So I think I'm going to take this one back out. We'll plant her somewhere else. And the 6th one will go in its spot. No, not really any. I thought maybe I could split it, but since I can't, I don't think I'm going to put that in either. So Dianthus it is. Now I think I need a little more potting soil, and then I'll get the center pot that goes here with the water. And as you can tell, these plants are doing really well. The cilantro and the parsley, maybe I should have planted them a little further out from each other. And then the dill's doing really well, the peppers, the basil, the thyme. Oh, tarragon here. Another pepper plant. I'm really impressed with this. Okay, let's get the dirt. So I planted all the flowers on the very outside because I knew that this watering pot would take up most of the room. And now I'm going to water the flowers in, and then I'll fill up the middle container. And I have the top for it, so that dust and bugs don't get into the water. And there we have it. I'll give you an update when the flowers and the herbs grow a little more. Thanks for watching.